Need to move your cryptocurrency from crypto.com to an external wallet or another exchange? In this video, I'll guide you through the secure process of withdrawing your crypto assets safely and efficiently. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Withdrawing cryptocurrency is an essential skill for managing your digital assets across different platforms. Doing it correctly ensures your funds reach their destination without any issues. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your crypto.com app and navigate to the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Tap the Transfer button, then select Withdraw and choose External Wallet as your destination. You'll need the recipient's wallet address. Carefully copy and paste the address from your external wallet. Double-check every character, as crypto transactions cannot be reversed if sent to the wrong address. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select the network type if prompted. This is crucial. You must select the same network that your external wallet supports, otherwise your funds could be lost permanently. Review all transaction details including the withdrawal fee and network costs. Crypto.com charges a small network fee for withdrawals, which varies depending on the cryptocurrency and current network congestion. A crucial pro tip: always do a test withdrawal with a small amount first when sending to a new wallet address. This verifies everything is working correctly before you transfer larger amounts. Also, consider the timing. Network fees can be lower during off-peak hours. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn cryptocurrency from your crypto.com wallet. Mastering secure withdrawals gives you complete control over your digital asset movement. If this guide helped you navigate the withdrawal process safely, please give it a like. What's your preferred external wallet for storing cryptocurrency? Share your recommendations in the comments below. To explore advanced trading features, subscribe for our next video on how to use the crypto.com exchange. Thanks for watching.